Akeyewale. I'm a budding product designer and a mentee at Perxels Design School. Now, talking about my learning experience at Perxels, the best decision I made this year was joining Perxels. Now, I have a lot of experience at Perxels, and I think one of the major things I like about Perxels is the fact that they make use of this procedural system in mentoring aspirants. They know the essence of the basic and fundamental of design, so they work mentees hand in hand through the journey. Having a project to work on every week makes a whole lot of sense. By the end of the intermediate class, you will already have your own portfolio, and that will give you a competitive edge out there. It's not as if they just show you how to navigate the software and the design app, and then no, you already have a portfolio, and that will always give you an edge. And then one of the things I learned at Perxels is acknowledging message. Yeah, you don't just leave message unattended to, you acknowledge message, and it's courtesy.